Hi guys, I am at Rustic Roast this morning over in Alba, and the owner put on Facebook that she had some strawberry rhubarb scones and strawberry rhubarb latte. So I had to run right over. Sorry, I'm trying to get the straw in this drink. So I didn't want a latte necessarily with strawberry rhubarb. So what they made me was a rhubarb matcha with strawberry cold foam. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. The rhubarb really meshes with kind of the grassy taste of matcha, and it's sweet, but it's definitely got a sour bite to it. The strawberry cold foam definitely brings out more sweetness. Honestly, I like rhubarb with just rhubarb, but the strawberry does complement it very well. It's very good. And I've never seen any other coffee shops do a rhubarb drink. So it's definitely worth checking out while the season is very short on rhubarb. And let's check out these rhubarb scones now. Okay, these are the rhubarb strawberry scones. Look at that big hunks of fruit. It's got a really nice, good crunch on the outside. It's very soft in the middle. Big hunks of rhubarb, big hunks of strawberry. This is amazing. I am obsessed with rhubarb. I definitely would go back for both of these. Yeah, this is amazing.